Hello there! I see you in that kitchen, staring at that empty lunchbox, wondering what to pack today. Mornings are chaotic, and figuring out what to pack can be a daily challenge. But don't worry. We've got you covered with quick, healthy, vegetarian tiffin recipes your kids will love. We're about to turn that tiffin trouble into a tiffin triumph. So, grab your apron and let's make some magic happen. Because you can do it. First up, mini veggie uttappam's little savory pancakes full of color and flavor. Use leftover idli or dosa batter. Add finely chopped veggies like bell peppers, onions, and carrots. Mix them in, then cook small rounds on a pan or in a mini muffin tray for perfect shapes. Sneak in spinach or grated veggies for extra nutrition kids won't even notice. Once golden and fluffy, let them cool and pack them up. Serve with coconut or tomato chutney, or even ketchup if that's what your kids love. These are easy to make, easy to pack, and perfect for little hands. A breakfast favorite turned into a lunchbox star. Happy kids, empty tiffin boxes, mission accomplished. Very good. Next, stuffed veggie paratha. Rolls a warm, comforting meal all wrapped up. Make a filling with mashed potatoes, sautéed onions, carrots, peas, and spices like turmeric and cumin. Add paneer or tofu for extra protein. Spread the filling on a thin whole wheat paratha. Roll it up tight and slice into pinwheels. These are mess-free fun to eat and packed with goodness. Pair with a side of homemade raita yogurt with cucumber and mint. It's a balanced, satisfying lunch that travels well. Kids love the pinwheel shapes and flavors. Easy to hold, easy to eat, and full of love. Paratha rolls the hero of the tiffin box. Very good. Last up, instant veggie poha cups, a classic with a twist. Rinse poha, sauté onions, peas, carrots, and bell peppers with mustard seeds and turmeric. Add the poha, fold gently, and steam for a couple of minutes. Mix in roasted peanuts for crunch. Pack the poha into silicone muffin cups or small containers. Kids love the mini shapes. Garnish with coriander and a wedge of lemon for extra zing. These cups are gluten-free, colorful, and super quick to make. Perfect for little hands and big appetites. Simple, fast, and guaranteed to bring a smile. Very good. And just like that, you've got 3 easy, healthy tiffin ideas to brighten your mornings. For more creative vegetarian tiffin recipes, visit onlinehelps.com. Save this video, try the recipes, and let us know how your little ones like them. Go on about your day and remember, pack with love always. Bye, y'all.